friends, I am Flora. Today we have Desview T2 teleprompter for review. Desview T2 teleprompter featured with standard beam splitter glass allows you to clearly read scrolling text while looking directly into the camera, perfect for vlog, live broadcast, online class, video recording, interviews, video studio, news and presentation. No need to reset the script. T2 adopts special coating process and beam splitter glass with up to 90–70% light transmission, no effects on image quality and color of the shooting or double reflection, which gives clear prompting and decrease NG frequency. Smoother shooting, trapezoid, designed for larger vision, free to move and read. T2 teleprompter universally supports flexible tablet below 8 inches, smartphone prompting plus DSLR shooting. Besides, it is compatible with smartphone shooting and the lens needs to be adjusted. It supports device vertical, horizontal placement and left-right shooting. Download free app from App Store or Play Store on smartphone, tablet to display the manuscript with a remote controller. You could freely turn the page, pause, speed up or down, or change the text and background color. It supports shooting with wide-angle lens more than 14 mm, providing larger vision without vignetting. For tablet prompting, focal length may need to be more than 15 mm. Front and rear cover give double protection to the glass, dustproof, anti-scratch and anti-collision. The teleprompter only weighs 314 grams, lightweight and portable. The T2 teleprompters comes packaged 9 professional lens adapter rings, which enable you to mount the T2 teleprompter directly to the filter thread of your camera's lens. The T2 comes with a 49mm, 52mm, 55mm, 15.8mm, 16.2mm, 16.7mm, 72mm, 77mm and 82mm lens adapter, allowing it to be mounted to virtually end lens. Select the appropriate ring to connect teleprompter and camera lens and hide the effects you want. The T2 can also be used for shooting video with a smartphone. The lens may need to be adjusted. The smartphone can be used in either portrait or landscape orientation, which makes it perfect for shooting videos for platforms that require vertical orientation, such as Snapchat and TikTok, as well as platforms that use the traditional landscapes orientation, such as YouTube, Vimeo and Facebook. The Desview T2 teleprompter is the perfect solution for vloggers, online content creators and broadcasters that are required to read from a script whilst looking into the camera. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!